In our business, great feedback is the best reward. We work hard to make sure everyone has a first-class experience with us, and we appreciate the recognition when someone takes the time to send an online review like this one. As much as we think we're doing a great job, hearing about great experiences like this makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what everyone has to say about us. The most important thing for us is that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.